The pursuit of excellence is a journey. It starts with a bold vision, greater than the visionary itself. It takes courage, confidence, grit and spirit to defy all odds. At Legato, every person and every process is driven by our commitment to pursue excellence with a passion and purpose in everything we do. This is the story of that incredible journey that has inspired and driven us along the way.
Our story is about organizational alignment, managing performance and health at same rigor. Show resolve, ensure management team work as one strong unit, and defend against biases to establish coherence. Also, we pursued on 3 strategic drivers of process excellence, technology, and people. In doing so, we considered the mandate of the board, customers, and our employees.
People, process, and technology to become a valuable and trusted business partner whilst providing the insight that improve business performance as a reliable service provider.
We have transformed from performing simple transactional work to adding value for MAS companies, helping their business teams to focus more on business partnering. The Process Excellence Framework facilitates our people, process and technology to transform into a future-ready organization that is agile, resilient and sustainable.
This year, we re-implemented Kofax Total Agility, the OCR platform, and upgraded the Kofax Process Director, the AP workflow solution. This enabled us to have a purpose-built AP automation solution, where we could handle multiple processes with one solution and simplify invoice processing for higher productivity.
This is a 30-year-old industry, and the market leaders have set standards and introduced best practices over the years. We at Legato have implemented most of these best practices in our operation. These best practices ensure that our service provision is at the right quality, speed, and at a competitive cost. There are 3 key areas that we need to keep an eye on. First, the implementation of Lean Six Sigma principles in our operation and making the process efficient. And second, the RPA and AI technologies to automate the processes and drive touchless operation. Finally, the use of analytics. How can we create value for business units by leveraging on capabilities in analytics? The global outsourcing industry is around $92 billion and it is growing at 12% per annum. The pandemic has created more growth opportunities for industry. In Sri Lanka, the current employment is close to 25,000 and we see a huge opportunity for Sri Lanka in the BPO sector.
In 2021, partnering with Gartner Magic Quadrant leader UiPath greatly improved the capabilities through AI and intelligent automation, enabling Legato to achieve KPIs that were previously thought impossible.
Synergize the best practices across the group through efficiency, insight, control and compliance while we're focusing on the new business transition and partnerships.
We are a team with about 75% of diverse talent who are below the age of 30 years. This helps us to drive a strong and positive culture within the organization through creative and innovative initiatives. We maintain an open-door culture and strive to power a feedback-driven organization. We also focus on a learning culture to develop and support our talent through training and job rotation. Through this, we give our employees the opportunity to grow their career within Legato and the MAS Group.
While everyone working at Legato is young at heart, 75% of our cadre are between the ages of 18 to 30, making us one of the youngest teams at MAS. We have an inclusive culture in terms of leadership and spirit. 30% of our management team are females, and we also have a great support system for working moms as well. Since we are a multicultural and multi-ethnic workforce, we have an inclusive social activity calendar with all religious festivities and various hallmark days that ensure everyone is valued and honored. Our work environment is fun, energetic and progressive, making Legato one of the best places to work at.
Legato has a friendly and an energetic environment because of a young team. There are various programs that keep us engaged socially across all teams. We have a MyDia platform that's available to everyone to submit their ideas on increasing productivity. Open door policy biannual town halls by the leadership team offer insights and transparency in our progress as a team, while ensuring we are all heard and valued.
Well, there are ample opportunities available for the young executives at MS Legato. So as we are expanding our operations with other functions, there are many new pathways being created for the employees to grow while developing new skills.
Our focus is beyond financials. We want to give back to our society, and this is made possible through social welfare events such as blood donation campaigns and fundraisers for various causes.
It's challenging because Legato encourages employees to take on different responsibilities outside their daily tasks, pushing themselves in achieving stretch goals.
Teamwork, because I believe great things in businesses are never done by one person. They are done by a team of people. This simply describes Legato.
Proud, because we make sure that the hard work of MS staff is written in dollars.
Culture, it's not just a buzzword at Legato. Our employees are empowered to achieve excellence in professional and personal endeavors, enabling us to live a balanced life.
Collaboration. We are all dedicated in working together as a team in Legato, which helps us to achieve greater results, sparkling creativity and innovation.
Fulfilling. Let it be having a cool job or being appreciated. Legato is definitely more than just a workplace.
Progressive. Every employee wants to work for an organization that's growing, innovating, diverse, inclusive and trying new things, which is exactly what MS Legato is all about.
Future possibilities are endless, but essentially we want to be the focal agent for MA's shared services by redefining the approach of central functions in serving the core business. In this endeavor, human resource operation with the guidance of Wipro is going to be a key milestone. One of the biggest milestones we have achieved is to win the SLASSCOM Digital Genesis Award for 2 consecutive years.
The close collaboration between the Legato process analysts, the RP engineers and data analysts enable the team to tackle complex business logic through critical thinking and creative problem solving.
It's always encouraging to be rewarded for the hard work we put in. And it has only driven us as a team to innovate more and achieve better results.
It's a privilege to be a part of an award-winning team because it's definitely one of those feel-good factors. And it encourages you to give your best and drives you to accomplish greater things here at Legato.
The functional organization design of all global organizations have a strategic center of excellence and business partners, as we do within our divisions, and a shared service which functions as global business support. Today, we have a shared service established for finance and planned growth with the transition of the human resources function within Legato. This places Legato in a unique position to drive process excellence and be a hub for functional expertise. Legato will contribute in 3 key ways. Firstly, by elevating the governance framework for financial reporting reliability. As Legato is an independent entity, this helps ensure consistency and accuracy in financial reporting. Secondly, Legato has the ability to drive process excellence while leveraging on technology. And finally, all of this ensures that Legato can play a pivotal role in solidifying our position as one MAS.
Let me begin by stating that an optimized shared service is a foundation for any future-ready enterprise. Legato, being the captive shared service of MAS, has evolved over the last 5 years and is now strategically positioned to expand and enhance the power of the enterprise. During the last 2 years, Legato has been functioning with a vision of becoming best in class and has been working on a few critical milestones. Firstly, it has enhanced its in-house robotics capabilities and has been recognized and awarded by the industry as a leader for the last 2 years consecutively. Secondly, it has expanded the scope of its operations, expanding the geographic footprint it covers, offering its current services to MAS's global locations, as well as widening the service scope from a finance shared service to a shared service for HR, and also building a roadmap to bring in the shared services of other functions. Thirdly, it has also embarked on a data analytics journey to enhance the value proposition offered to MAs through the provision of actionable business insights. This shift in mindset to be the best in class has also brought an attitude of excellence to the operation, which has driven all three elements: the people, the process, as well as the technology. This in effect is key to pivoting the finance strategy and the finance transformation journey to build a future-ready cognitive finance function.
MAS Legato, Inspired Excellence.